All right, everybody. So I'm here in St. Louis. I leave in 3 days, December 30th. I didn't think I was gonna see snow because they forecasted snow 2 days ago. It never came through, but we're getting it now. We just got out. We're at the mall, Chesterfield Mall in I almost said Florida, in St. Louis, Missouri. We just got out of the Django, the D silent though, so it's Django, the D silent nigga, D silent. Y'all make sure y'all remember the D silent nigga. It's Django. But yeah, we just watched Django and now it's snowing, so. And I'm hitting the club tonight with my homeboy Wendell. So we're gonna be hitting the club iced out, literally. You get it? Iced out. I ain't even talking about chains though, I'm talking about snow, cause you get it snow icy. Oh damn, that was a good joke, but I'm the only one laughing at it. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do tonight. But yeah, it's snowing, so I just want y'all to see the snow back in Florida. And I'm out this thing, the D silent nigga, the D silent.